Hi everyone! Mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat guys. Ayan guys, this is my simple sketch. Ito. Ayan. One of my simple sketch. Mega love shoutout to all of you my friends. Mega love shoutout my friend Superman Vlog BMR, PDB Walk, HippieDP 89, Sir Troy Future Expat. Ayan guys, ito yung aking ito kasing isa sa pinaka gusto ko. Ito yung image ng isang tao na nagpi-pray. Yan. Yan. Ito yan. Ito. Please support guys my friend Maria Sangria, Superman Vlog BMR, PDB Walk, Sir Troy Future Expat, HippieDP 89. And guys, if you're not a member of my channel, guys, mag-join na po kayo sa aking channel. Mag-join na po kayo. Then also, we have a join button. And then may mga super things po tayo dyan. Pwede po kayo mag-request sa akin kung gusto nyo kayong i-drawing. Yan. Napakasimple lang nitong aking ginagawa guys. Yan. Nakakapag-relax kasi itong pag-drawing. And guys, yan. This is my sample sketch. Please support my channel guys. Please like, shares, and subscribe. Thank you so much everyone. Yan guys, pa-support po ng aking channel. I-like nyo lang po and then mag-join na po kayo sa aking channel membership. Yan. Guys, please support my channel guys by sharing my videos and mag-join na po kayo sa aking channel membership. Thank you so much everyone. Yan guys, available na po yung aking some of my drawings guys. Kung gusto niyo po mag-request, then pwede ko kayong i-assist. Guys, madali lang tong sketch ko na to ngayon. Ayan, guys. Ayan siya, guys. Ito yung babae na nagpipray. Thank you so much everyone. Mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat guys. Mag-join na po kayo sa aking channel membership. Please like, shares, and subscribe. Please support my friends guys. Please support Maria Sangria, Superman Vlog BMR, Sir Troy Future Expat, HippieDP 89, and PDB Walk. Thank you so much everyone. Bye for now.